This video provides an overview of the EQAO website for secondary school administrators. The accompanying resource guide may be used to assist administrators in analyzing and interpreting school, board, and provincial results.
To access EQAO results and reports, please visit www.eqao.com. Select Login from the right-hand side of the page.
To log in, each school principal has a unique user ID and password that should be retained for future use.
If you have forgotten or lost your login information, please select Get My User ID and Password to the right of the login area. You will be prompted for your school MIDENT number and email address. You will receive an email from EQAO with a new user ID and password. You must log in within an hour. You will then be asked to change your password.
Please note the important timelines that can be downloaded from SDC at a glance. The student data collection process outlines important deadlines and tasks, such as ordering special versions of the test and indicating which students require accommodations or exemptions.
To access the results for your school, please select Grade 9 Assessment or OSSLT.
This page has additional resources that you may find useful in administering the assessments and for reporting EQAO results to your school community. If you scroll to the bottom, you can access school, board, and individual student reports for the current and previous years.
To access your school results, select the appropriate year.
On this page, you will find the board-level teacher questionnaire results for both the applied and academic course. There is no questionnaire data for the OSSLT. For more information on how to use these reports, please see the provided resource guide.
A chart of reports available to your school is at the bottom of this page. Any reports labeled with I are for internal school use only. Reports labeled with a P may be released or accessed for public use. For smaller schools, some of the data in public reports is suppressed due to the small number of participating students. The Grade 9 assessment results are separated by course into applied and academic.
OSSLT results are released in two categories. First-time eligible, FTE students, are writing for the first time, and previously eligible PE students have been eligible to write the assessment in a previous year. There are a number of reasons why a student may become a previously eligible student. For example, they were not successful on the first attempt, they were absent during the grade 10 test, or they were deferred by school staff due to readiness.
From either the Grade 9 Assessment or OSSLT page, you can also access individual student data files and Item Information Reports, IIRs, for a selected year.
This page provides access to the Item Information Reports for the Grade 9 winter and spring assessments for both applied and academic courses. These reports provide you with information about how each student and your school performed on specific questions. You can also access your individual student data files, which provide you with an overview of the level of achievement for each student, as well as questionnaire results. For more information on each of these reports, please see the resource guide for a breakdown of the information and how to use each report in your school.
This page provides you with the Item Information Reports for the OSSLT for first-time eligible and previously eligible students. There are separate reports for successful and unsuccessful students in each category. These reports provide you with information about how each student and your school performed on specific questions. For more information on these reports, please see the resource guide for a breakdown of the information and how to use these reports in your school.
You can access your individual student data files, which provide you with an overview of the level of achievement for each student. The field descriptions and notes provide the value assigned to each field. For example, in the gender field, 1 represents male students and 2 represents female students. Also provided are English and French definitions for each field. The field definitions change from year to year, and the values may be different for each assessment. For more information on each of these reports, please see the resource guide for a breakdown of the information and how to use each report in your school.
For more resources, please visit www.misalondon.ca.